What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about why you shouldn't buy the C43. And I bet you guys would have never thought I would make this video in a million years. As beautiful as this car looks, and how sleek the body design is, and how amazing this car sounds for a twin turbo V6, and how awesome this car drives, there are still some reasons why you shouldn't buy the C43. The first reason why you shouldn't buy the C43 is because it has a freaking rev limiter. If you guys know me, I hate rev limiters, I hate soft limiters. You can't rev this car past 4,000 RPMs in park and in neutral. And that's really annoying because this car sounds so great that I just want to rev the car to like redline or something, or even 5,000 RPM if the car's in park and neutral, because I just want to hear this car all the time. That's why my exhaust button is on all the time. I'm not even kidding, my exhaust button is on all the time. In order to kind of beat the rev limiter, you have to be in motion. Let me demonstrate for you guys while the car is in motion. If you want to rev the car past 4,000 RPMs, you can put the car in neutral. So we're in motion right now. I'm just gonna flick it up into neutral. And even then, the car only revs to 4,500 RPMs. It only revs to 4,000 RPM. And yes, I know I'm in comfort mode, but it literally doesn't matter if you're in comfort mode or sport plus mode. The car isn't gonna go past 4,000 RPM unless if you're in motion. But this is only true for the 2018 and older models. If you have a 2019, 2020, and 2021 model, then the car will allow you to rev up to 4,500 RPMs. And that's awesome because that extra 500 RPM that you get when you're in park and neutral, it really makes a difference. The next reason why you shouldn't buy the C43 is if you don't need 4MATIC or if you don't like 4MATIC. One of the only reasons why I got the C43 was mainly because of 4MATIC. In my area, you really do need 4MATIC if you don't have another car. If you already have another daily driver, then you don't need the C43 unless if you actually love the 4MATIC system that this car offers. The third reason why you shouldn't buy the C43 is if you don't have any plans on modifying it. Me personally, I modify all my cars no matter what. And the C43, it was pretty quick when it was stock. It looks really good when it's stock, but if you're not planning on modifying the car in any way whatsoever, then what's the point of getting this car? Not even just this car specifically, but any car in general. That's basically what car people like me and probably you do. If you don't modify a stock car, then what's the point? The next reason why you shouldn't buy the C43 is it's gonna kind of be similar to my previous point, but if you already have a daily driver and you don't like the feeling of a 4MATIC vehicle, then don't get the C43 because the C43 is 4MATIC. It's 4MATIC, but with rear-wheel drive bias. It's not like a 50-50 split. It's a 70-30 split. There's a lot of other cars that you can get for $65,000. Even consider getting a used car. If you want strictly a performance car and your budget is $65,000, then just buy a used C63. That's a V8, rear-wheel drive, really good performance. If you're like me and you could only afford one car at a time, but you also want it to be your daily driver and your fun car combined, then the C43 is the right choice for you. The C43 is a great car. It's a great combination of daily drivability and performance. But if you don't need a daily driver because you already have one, me personally, I would go strictly for a performance car. But that's basically gonna do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Dump and jump for the shit. All top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line with your fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go. It's only up from there.
There is Sir Popo in front of me. What? Sir Popo is making a U-turn and is gonna follow me. So, we're gonna go this way.